So lunch is so good today, huh? Did you hear what Johnny said to? Okay. Vanessa? Hi, Marcy.
Okay, so today is tear up day. Take out all your notes.
Oh, can I go first?
Let me see if you have the tiara from yesterday.
I forgot to do my tiara.
You have to remember because it's part of your grades.
I just forgot. Do you guys know any suggestions to help me remember?
If you have a phone, just put a reminder to do it so you'll have it by the next day.
Oh yeah, thanks, Chad.
A marker? Okay. My question is, how to divide? And do I do my 30-second speech now? What I know about my question is that I have to make sure the number outside the box goes to the number inside the box. Last night I was able to do my pre-work and I got 5.0. What I don't understand is where the decimal goes. If it isn't in the number outside the box, what question do you have to assist me in my understanding my point of confusion? They need 30-second speeches, solve it all.
I got your notes from that class.
Okay, so
Wait, aren't you supposed to give them questions?
oh yeah, what is your first step in dividing?
You're supposed to make sure the number on the outside goes into the number on the inside the box.
No, your name. What are you supposed to do to the decimal?
I don't know.
Well, it's in your notes, isn't it?
Yeah, hopefully. That's what I didn't understand right here. Right here, Jasmine.
Now, what do you do with the numbers in and outside of the box?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Okay, what do you put on top of the number?
Oh, okay, I have to see if the number inside the box goes into it. But in this case, 10 can go into 5.
Okay, what do you put on top of the number?
Oh, I put a 0 since the number is. I put a 0 because the number on top of the box, my decimal is after the 0. That means that my answer was wrong and there isn't going to be a whole number.
Oh, Miss Samari, okay, that girl Leslie wore the most ugliest thing today. And I was like, my outfit is so much better.
Oh yeah, she doesn't know how to dress.
Jasmine, Samari, no outside conversations, remember? Oh, remember the rules, guys. They're up on the board if you forgot.
Number 1, be respectful to your classmates. Number 2, pay attention to the person at the board. Number 3, ask questions to help them. Number 4, don't interrupt others. Number 5, be cooperative. Number 6, help them reach their answer.
Sign the pledge. Oh, wait.
Okay, so some of the rules you guys weren't following. Like, don't be afraid to ask questions, right, Samari?
I'm sorry, it's just that they have honors math and I don't, so I don't know about this. They are ahead of my class and I didn't want to ask the wrong question and then feel dumb.
It's okay because we have textbooks, so if you're not in the class, then you could look at them and see what they're learning about.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Where are the textbooks?
There should be some over there on the table.
Yeah, sure. Do I go over there? Okay.
Okay, now, so.
Okay, so now that's settled. Can we go back to the TRF?
Ooh, I got a question. Can 10 go into 52?
Oh, yeah, because 10 times 5 is equal to. So it could go into it 5 times.
Okay, good. So now where do you put the 5?
On top of the 2 behind the decimal, and then I subtract 52 minus 50. And it said, alright, wait, what do I do with the 2?
I just put R2, which stands for remainder.
I disagree with that statement. You could do more so that you don't need a remainder.
Oh yeah, I can put the 0 on the top behind the 5 and drag it down to the 2. And then what I do now? Oh, into 20. The 2 goes into 20 10 times. Wait. So I subtract it, and now I know I have no remainders at all, and the answer stays the same, and the answer is 5. Yeah.
Good job, Tremaine. What power clap would you like?
Ooh, firecracker. Ready?
Oh, 1.
3, 2, 1. 5 is 40.
Bye, see you tomorrow.